Number 352W. The helicopter, which can be remote controlled by iPhone, iPad, Android cell phone, emerges. 机型的 Number 352W remote control helicopter is equipped with Wi-Fi emitter. It can make your cell phone a remote controller. What's more, through network signal transmission, it can transfer the pictures shot by the camera into cell phone or iPad. Video and pictures can be directly stored in your cell phone. The Apple user firstly enters App Store to download UFO software, turns on the helicopter power source, and then turns on the cell phone Wi-Fi, connects the helicopter, and finally opens UFO software. Now, you can control the helicopter in remote distance. Fly up, fly forward, turn left, turn right, fly down, fly backward. Fly through the flowers and forests. Maybe you are willing to watch video signal and install remote controller into the cell phone and press the switch. The real-time transmitted pictures make your flight more exciting and enjoyable. Wi-Fi remote control helicopter. 机型的 Number 352W.